my dollars make it hurt.
Hi guys, welcome back for the second part of this 2018 October-November winter paper. Paper 3, we are doing Excel from question number 15. Enter a formula in cell I77 to calculate the surface area of the shed. Surface area. Now, so here is a very big calculation again. Surface area is equal to 2 into wall height. Okay, now let's just try that. Surface area is over here equal to 2 into wall height. This is wall height for me. Then into now I have to open the bracket there. Some addition is there. Length plus width. This is length plus width. Close the bracket. After this, plus width plus again width second time into. Now we have to multiply this width into with what? Apex height plus wall height. Open bracket. Apex height plus wall height. Close the bracket. Anything more? Plus roof area as well. Plus roof area. This is the roof area. Okay, this is in H7. Sorry, this is in I7. This is in I7. Okay, press enter. This is the surface area, right? Correct. Now, what's next? 15 is fully done. 6 marks were. Can you imagine? Look at this, 10 marks, 6 marks. Yeah, we're gonna get a star definitely. 16. Enter a formula in cell J7 to calculate the cost of materials to make the shed. Cost of materials. Okay, what is the formula for it? Surface area, just know what we calculated, into cost of steel per square meter. This one we entered in the beginning, if you remember, in the beginning, that's there in the part 1. Okay, now let's do that. Here equal to surface area into, now see, cost of steel per square meter. We have to click this. Fine, this one we have to go. So A4, and one more thing here we have to observe is very important, otherwise the whole calculation will go wrong for you. Here this value is coming, A4 cell is somewhere out of the table. It's a single value somewhere. So for that reason, when we do the replication, when we drag it from the corner, even this value also be changing. Relatively it changes. There is a relative reference, that means that is. So not to change that value, we want this value to be the same, but only the other value will change. Fine. So for that reason, we have to make this to be an absolute reference like this. Use dollars on the row heading and the row number and the column heading. Okay, then now press enter. Okay, perfect. Now what's next? enter a formula in cell Q7 to calculate the sales price of the shed. Okay, how do we calculate that? Here, this is the cost of material multiplied by the cost factor rounded up to the nearest $10. Okay, calculation, the formula they just gave in the form of a text. Now we will turn that to a formula. One is what? Materials, cost of materials. Here, sale price. Now, I'll just type in clearly here. I want this in the middle of the screen. Now, equal to the cost of materials is here. Previously, we just now we calculated. Okay, into press Shift 8. Then come to this. Where is that? See, cost factor. This one. And again, this value is coming from out of the table, and this value shouldn't be changed. Only one single value should be there all the time. So for that reason, we have to change that to an absolute like this. Just use dollars there. Fine. And anything more? Anything more? Here we have another. See there, rounded up to the nearest 10. So this whole thing, we have to put it in the function round. Fine. R-O-U-N-D. And here we have to take round up. Okay. And you see the values over here, what we are providing. Okay, as per the function, as per the values here, one is the number to be rounded up and to number of digits. So number of digits over here is up to something. What is there? 10. 10 in the sense we will take -1. Okay, if no rounding up means 0 we take, 10 means we take -1, 100 means we take -2. It goes like that. Okay, so now close the bracket, enter. Fine, this is done. Next question. This 16, 17 done. Now, if enter a formula in cell L7 to display the text extra large. If the cubic capacity of the shed is greater than 14 meter cube and the floor area is greater than 7 meter square, or if not, leave the cell empty. So here they are providing us some conditions that should be satisfied to display a remark. We can take it as a remark as an extra large XL, that means, right? Then if any one is not matching out of these two, you should display nothing. It should be blank. So 14 should match and 7 should match. Both, and see, there is an and. So both should match. Then only extra large remark will appear in that row. Now let's work on it. And this is conditional, so we will use if statement. Here in L7 here. So here we can write anything, remarks like this. Fine. Just it's by myself. Okay. Okay, now let's start. Equal to, if we will use if open bracket. See, here there are two conditions to be satisfied. So for that we use and. And let's place the first condition. What is that? What's the first condition? Cubic capacity. Where is cubic capacity? Here, cubic capacity is more than 14, comma, and what's in another one? Floor area. Where is floor? This one. Floor area should be more than 7. Close bracket. If these two conditions match, give a comma there. Okay, give a comma there. Now further, what we have to add? We have to display this extra large text if the condition is true. True. In case of yes, these two are yes, then this extra large should be displayed. For that, just we have to put that text in this double quotes. Extra, fine, double XL, extra large, close the double quotes, give a comma. Then in case of anyone is not matching, anyone is not satisfied, nothing should be displayed, so just use two double quotes, empty double quotes, and close. Is it closed by pairing? See, if got a black opening bracket, and here also last closing is black. Okay, done. And here nothing is there means the condition is, any one condition is not matching. Okay, so when we replicate, we may get a few the remarks of extra XLs. Okay, now this all done. Now let's see what's there. Replicate the formula entered in 12 to 18 for each style of shed. Okay, let's do that. Replication starts from here, right, till the last. Okay, this much only. Done. This also done, and this done. All we have to do, done. Okay, this is so good job to do. Very fast, very simple. Okay, here we have a formula, but nothing is displayed. But let me see, anything will come. Oh, nice. Three are XL sheds. That means. Okay, we are going in a right way. Find the track. Now further question. Replication got us so much. Oh, this is there. Apply appropriate formatting to all cells in rows 7 to 19. Okay, we have lots of stuff to do. Here the formatting in the sense, from here we have to start. Here what we have, here we have to, it's a cost, right? So we have to add a dollar sign there, currency, and it automatically takes to 2 decimal places. It's by default. Now come over here where the length should be in single decimal place. Yeah, this is the one now we have to act upon. This one, this array. Display all. See, length in 1 decimal, area in 2 decimals, capacities in 3 decimals. Now let's do that. Select till here. Okay, home, single decimal place. See, there is no decimal place at all. Now click this side, single decimal place. Done. Even width also, right? Width also same. Just home, just click right side, then left side. Another one as well, wall height. These are single values, right? So that here again press the right decimals, then left side. Now apex height as well. Here we got automatically, see there. Now area is 2 decimals. Area is of 2 decimals. Home, just click this. See, everything gone. Now left side 2 times you have 2. 1, 2. Capacity is of 3, I guess, right? Okay, let's go for 3. Home. First click right. Okay, single one came to just even out all. Now 2, 3. Okay, now area again. Home. How many? We need 2, right? Area 2. Yeah, here is the one. Now surface area again. Surface area, home, reduce them. This is a reduction, right? Here too. Now more, cost of materials is only, we have to use the currency. Fine. Currency symbol, no, automatically adjust with the rest. Right? Now sale price, also dollar. Sale price is dollar. Okay, now everything is done. Look at that. They didn't say anything about cost factor, just leave that. Okay, now let's get back to the rest of the questions. 21 is there. Save and print the spreadsheet showing the formulae. Okay, make sure it's on landscape, column headings are displayed, and everything should be visible. Now this is one. Let's go to formula, the menu, and show formula. Okay, now let's go to file, print. Select this page orientation to landscape, and it has to display the row and column headings. Yes, page setup, sheet, and here check this. Okay, yeah, we can see there row headings in column, row numbers in column labels. Okay, now after this, what we have to do? Just it has to fit on a single page. You can adjust. No single page. Sorry, no single page. Just take landscape. It is said, but for a good look, we can just adjust them. No, just they are so wide open, all these columns. Fine, at least it will come on 2 pages, and just make sure that the contents are visible. Okay, that's more important. See, we got a new calculation here. Fine. Any other stuff will come? Can we adjust on 2 pages? It's up to you. How you want it, no problem. See, one more is also coming up. Another column something. Okay, let me see on the second page. Yeah, this is like this. I think this has to fit. Right, see here. This is just, they are joining. See there. Okay, and this just, the value is not, the value is not that. See, extra, that remark is not coming there fully. Okay, let it just be clear, the contents like this. Yeah, we got everything perfectly. Yes, so this it fits on 2 pages. You can print this perfectly. Now done. Let's go to the question. Make sure we have, yes, we have all the details. Now we have to print the values. Okay, and it fits on single page, and all the contents should be displayed. Now just let me go back to the values. Just click back, all those formulas, show formulas and all. Then what I have to do, just have to go to file, print. But see here, one page it is showing. Yeah, it's showing a single page, all the values. But here, how to fit on a single page? No scaling, and fit sheet on single page. It's a fitting there. Yes, and anything more? Portrait, landscape. They didn't say anything, since it's a landscape. It's all the stuff is fitting in single page. Yeah, this way you will print it. Okay, and our details are displayed over here on the top. Now let's see more. This is done. Save and print your evidence document. Yeah, this you will do anyway. Yeah, this is the end of your second part. Yes, 2018 Excel winter paper.